Hello everyone, welcome here. So in this tutorial, I'm going to talk about Microsoft Power BI. Especially, I will focus on how to create a dynamic dashboard by using Microsoft Power BI. We know we can also create a dashboard by using Microsoft Excel, but Power BI is quite advanced, and majority company are required the Power BI nowadays. So at first, I'm going to show you how to download the Power BI, and then in the upcoming video, I'll show how to create a dynamic dashboard by using Microsoft Power BI. So whenever you'll open your Chrome browser or any browser, you can search the download Microsoft Power BI, Power BI desktop. Okay, choose the desktop one. So whenever you just write all here, everything like me, that time you will get the first one, the official Microsoft.com from Microsoft. You'll get the first site. But if you write only about just say only Power BI, also Power BI download, if you search it also, that time also you will get it. This is a Microsoft for me. So I can go to the Microsoft Power BI desktop official, the Microsoft.com. This website you have to go. So after you enter here, you can see here this page is from Microsoft. So you can come here and you can select your language, which language you want. But normally we want in majority in English. So then you can download it. And here you have two options. Uh, how about your desktop or your computer? If it's 64, just choose 64, or if it's not, just uh, select this. My computer is 64-bit, so I can just select it and I can just download it. Whenever it's giving me the download space, just you can choose your, I put all of application in one file, and then I can just save it. And it is starting download. It will take some time because it's quite big, 488 megabyte. So I can just pause the video after I finish the download, then I will come again. So it's still downloading. So let me tell you something about Power BI. There's like, if you want to download the Microsoft Power BI, you can use two way. One is that I show you from Chrome browser. That is the manual download Microsoft Power BI. And other one is you can go to Microsoft Store. Everyone we have a Microsoft account. So if you go to Microsoft Store, then you can also download from there from as a Microsoft product. So that time just everything will save on the Microsoft. But this is the manually. So I just show you the manual one. So it's download finished. Now I can just go here. This is my Power BI and I want to run it. So this is my, let me check again. So this is it came here. So if I double click here, sorry, I need to check again and again because is it sharing that screen? So whenever you double click to the here, then it will show you the which language you want. Of course, English. Then next. Whenever it will be next, then they will say, do you want to allow these apps make change your device? Yes, I want to allow. Then after you allow, mm, Then it will come here and the setup wizard, install Microsoft BI in your computer. So I can go to next. This showing you her next. You can read this all of instruction, and just after that you say I accept terms and the license agreement. Then you can click on next. After next, they will show you the location where the Power BI is going to store. So I just always put the default one. So I just put here program file and Microsoft PA desktop. Then I can click on next. So after next, you say to begin installation, click on install and you will change any of your installation setting. Click back. So if you install first, so it's installing now. It's taking some time. I can pause the video and I will back soon. So it's time for me to finish it. It's already. So I can just write it finish. So after finish it, now I can open Power BI. So I can come here and search Power BI. Our computer became little bit. Okay. Power BI desktop. So whenever I click here, it's become like this. So how we can start Power BI? At first, if you want to start here, just you have to click in new here. If you click new, then it's give you some option. You can import some data what you want, which data sheet you want to work, which one. So like for example, if you want to load for from Excel, you can just click Excel. And we have also, you can import from SQL. You can also paste data from blank table. Also, we can paste, copy paste, and we can use also the sample data. So if I want to just click here for Excel, so for example, I just show you. I just show this is my another table, the previously Excel data. I just save it, so I can just open it using Power BI. It will take some time. So for example, I want to put as a table, and I can load the data. And if any errors here, it will also show, because sometimes some row became blank, so it just accidentally. For example, here we got one errors. So if I want, I can view this error. Mm, so this is the errors here. So if I want, I can edit filters and drill down, edit query. So how we can fix this error? Just like say, if we want to change it, for example, like we can click here, remove the bottom. Wait, okay. If we want to cut it here, and say, do you want to apply the change? Yes, I want to just cut it. Just delete. Now the new table will import it here. So table already imported here. So this is our data sheet where we can work. So in next video, I'll try to show you how we can create a dashboard by using this table, and we'll work there. So thanks until now to watch this video, and see you next video. Thank you.